Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Right here we have a product, one that I reviewed last year. Now, I do soil tests 2 times a year, and last year I just did it 1 time because obviously I'm always occupied. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I wanted to bring this back to y'all attention. I am not going to do the app review. If you want to see the app review, I will plug it in right here, and I will also put a link in the description if you want to see how the app operates. Right here I'm just going to show you once again. I'll do this again when fall time approaches, so we can know what fertilizer to use when we do our soil. Maybe your lawn is high on pH or low on pH. That will tell you whether or not you need to add lime. Sometimes you don't need to add lime when it's not needed, or your lawn might have too much nitrogen. Too much nitrogen is not good for your lawn. So MySoil is basically a test kit you can use on your lawn, and you can use on your garden or your house plants or whatever. It gives you a whole lot of data on what you need for your lawn. Whole bunch of science with this. All right, now with this, all you have to do, well, of course you have to register. I'm gonna show you the back right here. Sorry, don't know if y'all can see it, but you first have to register. Once you register, you get your soil, you mail it in, and then here's your results. And then they will give you recommendations of what fertilizer to use. MySoil is awesome. Okay, and that's about it. Other than that, that's it with the MySoil. Like I said, I'm not going to do a full review on this. I'm just going to do like a quick reminder for y'all, just in case y'all want to do y'all soil. I already did the probe video where I got the soil and all that stuff. I will actually probably plug it in while I'm talking to y'all. And yeah, so this box is $30. You can get this. I got this, was it the same day? I think they had this for sale for the same day or next day service. But they have a 2-box kit that I think like 50 something, so they took like $5 off or something like that for a 2-box kit. And they have a 4-box kit. So if you want to test your soil 4 times out the year, so every season, I test out spring and fall, because for cool seasons, those are the time for when it comes to growing. Yeah, so springtime is when it coming out of dormancy, and you want to go ahead and put the right fertilizer down. And fall time is basically when you plant your new seeds. That's all I got for y'all today. Like, comment, and please subscribe. Let's have a good lawn this year. Okay, you guys, so what I'm gonna do is the basics, show you the basics. Like I said, if you want to see a full review and the app review, I will link the videos in the description. Now all we're gonna do is just we're not gonna take this off all the way, because they need this code. This code is the one you need to put in for your register. They will scan that code and it will go to your email that you register with. Simple as that. Remember, do not trash this, all right? You're gonna want to keep it just like that. Open the top, you leave the ball inside. You grab your scoop out your soil, make sure you mashed it down good enough. You go ahead and put it in, put a little bit more. All right, that's about it. Turn this back on. That's as tight as I can get it. Make sure it's tight, no leaks, and that's about it. Like I said, you need the code to register, and all you do put this in the packet like that. Take the seal off, tie it up, and send it off. You don't have to put your information up here because, oh, and also no post is necessary. But you don't have to put your information here because they are going to scan this. Once they scan this, it's already linked into your email that you registered in. If you have any other questions, comments, concerns, please put it in the comment section, and I'll catch y'all in the next video.